little tiny bass. Oh, that's cool. We need to catch a little tiny bass to make us grateful that we're fishing. Yeah, buddy. Earn your wings today, huh? Earn your wings. There you go, buddy. Figured there'd be something over there. They're really doing a number on my fly here. Dude, that's a nice little. Nice one. Nice little largemouth. Yeah. About a pound maybe. Good fight. Good fight on a 6 weight. Yeah, it's a decent little bass. You know, not terribly big, but fun to get. Woo, yeah, on a 4-weight. Little bass come out and chomped it, huh? Gotcha, huh, buddy? Nice little bass on a 4-weight. Trying to get some of those carp, man. Just did the line down. This is a pretty good one too. Yeah, he's a pretty good little I guess it's a largemouth. Yeah. Okay. I thought it was a quadruped. That's pretty good right there on a little 4-weight. It's a lot of fun. Oh man, that's fucking beautiful, dude. Ooh, yeah. Got a little cichlid here, man. Look at this. Yeah, freaking cool, dude. These things are hit hard, man. I haven't caught one of these in a while. Yeah. Yeah, Rio Grande perch. That's a big old freaking cichlid there. All right, have fun. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice. I mean, we're getting some, you know, some pounders all day, man. Nice fish. Let's see what happens here. There we go. Good job, buddy. All right, go fight yourself out. And I don't want to fight you out too good. All right. Woohoo. All right. Good fish. Nice little bass. All right, have fun. All right, here we go. Ooh, nice quad. Or no, that's a largemouth. Fun though. Yeah, another cichlid. Let's see. Cool. Ah man, my fucking finger, that finger burns, dude. All right, ooh, this is a good one, man. These are big, man. Whoa. cichlid. That's like a peacock bass in South America. Ha! Cool. On a 4-weight. Woohoo! Nice, we fucking chopped that thing. Woo, yeah. Yeah, Bubba. Woohoo! There's a little nice one right there. Nice little bass on a 4-weight. All right. He kind of got hurt on that one. I'm gonna start debarbing my hooks. I forget to do that. I've done it in the past, and I just haven't done it since I've come back into fly fishing. Because they inhale these things, man, when